everyone, so today we'll be making spicy Korean pork bulgogi. So I think that the key to this recipe is really in the sauce, because you can marinate anything like mushrooms, tofu, seitan, whatever, and it comes out delicious and amazing each and every time. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe, and I hope you all enjoy. So I took the marinade part of the recipe from the great Maangchi, only I think I didn't put as much pepper paste as she did. So typically it's supposed to be 3 tablespoons of your gochujang, a half a cup of pears, which I might have added a little bit more of, a little bit of onion, some sugar. Recipe is all going to be down below. And then I'm taking some of this likamki, that's the minced ginger, and then this is the minced garlic. And this is actually pretty good because if you don't have one of those small grinders, sometimes putting in like ginger or garlic, it doesn't actually blend the full way through, so that helps the whole thing. And then the double deluxe soy sauce, which is my favorite, along with 2 teaspoons of the likamki sesame oil. Yes people, this video is sponsored, but they do have all of the condiments. So while the sauce is being blended, this is going to be my meat, people. So I have some oyster mushrooms, some eggplants, and then some extra firm tofu. So it is going to be like Korean barbecue. Everything is gonna go into the bowl and you are going to marinate it in the sauce for right around 20 minutes until everything is nice and yummy. After about 20 minutes, I'm gonna place everything onto a wire rack so that there's like proper ventilation and you don't get a soggy bottom. But if you don't have one of those, feel free to just stick it into the oven, and then halfway through you wanna kind of like flip it around and just make sure that everything is grilled. So this goes into a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for right around 20 to 25 minutes. I think sometimes the mushrooms take less time to cook, but you just want to check them, and or you can actually put them onto a grill and it will just have all of those like nice grill marks and some char, just like it was a real Korean barbecue. So I'm just putting some ssamjang right onto the mushrooms, but actually the sauce is very much flavorful enough. I kind of just did this, again, more for the pictures, but if you guys want more sauce, feel free to do that. And this is in a lettuce wrap, so it's nice and healthy, and you can skip the rice if you want to as well. Alrighty kiddos, that's pretty much it for me. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!